Nanay, ide. Sayaw anay, sayaw. Adi na, swing. Sing lugod, sing. Sing or masayaw ka? Sige, okay na. Okay na. Where are you going? Come here. Introduce sana yung audience. Hi. Why are you sad? Why are you lonely?
Because where is the children's bag? Oh, there you go.
Later. Come here, here.
Do my makeup.
Sige. Where's your lipstick? Lipstick. Where's your lipstick?
Let's read the clue first.
Find your lipstick.
It says
Find your lipstick first. Not that. The one. Oh, sige.
what a baby's self is like.
Sige.
Where's water?
Ito din. Ako magli-lipstick kayo.
No, I know.
Here.
I know. I'm gonna look.
Sige na. Ay, pagdako. Sige na.
Smell.
Okay. Sala ka ano.
How much?
Iti ay lang. Sala ka bagis. Isang ganun lang. Dapat pantay. Ipagdamo ang pantay. Pantay, diri damo, diri guti. Ito sa gihap ng dat mata. Ito sa.
Where are we going?
Sige. Sige, okay. Chicks mo. Ano mo chicks? Your chicks. You put it some reddish, yes.
A little.
Buti lang, a little bit lang. Pati, on your cheek. Dida, sugad. Dito to sa.
Okay.
So, cheek gihap. Sugad, tawa. Sugad. Yan. Tikat to igbaw, pag-rub. Very good. Ano yung lipstick? Ano yun? Wow, kadama. Pula na itong kabila. Itong right. Dapat balance yung lips. Dapat balance sa cheek. Pag mag-a-apply ka, din yung makeup, hae mo cheek, dapat na-smile ka. Kaya inihiya na up iniya. Na lift. Na igbaw. Sugad. Tapos sugara. Very good. Okay na? Sige. Come here. Come here, little girl.
Next step.
Come here. We will sing. Enough. Oh, little powder. Okay. Maguting lang. Little powder lang. Okay, pati agtang. Forehead. Dapat balance tanan. Okay, ay.
Now for the eyelashes.
No, enough na. Ayaw na eyelashes. Ipagdamo, guti lang. Huwag ka maduklat.
Moisturizer.
Oo, guti lang. Didala eyebrow. Eyebrow, dirito eyelash. Come here. I'll help you. Sugad. Detail tama na ito. Magkamadukla tapi yung ating mata. Come here.
Over here is
Okay
gone.
na ito. At least you know how to apply. Come here. Dili. You keep your things. You keep your makeup set.
Wait. Wait.
Balance. See to it that it is balanced. The other half, the other side. Your cheeks. Both cheeks. Both.
When you start there,
Yeah.
over here's camera.
Kunti lang, kunti. Pati yung mga powder. Remember, it's enough. You keep your things.
Where are we going?
Wow.
Wait.
You look so beautiful.
Let's read. Let's read the clue first. It says Buruhaton Habalay, map page 100. Break allowed.
Break love. Kanino yan?
It's over here. Game Master. Game Master complete.
You know, your makeup. Oh, it's too reddish.
What?
Too reddish. May eyes. Diri balance, oh. Dapat balance. Diri nga di, oh. Inila din ini. Iti yung bubutang makeup. Ini din nga bagan cheeks ni mo ngay bukog. Diri nga di. Nga di igbaw, ha? Okay, next time, ha? Pero you look beautiful. Sige. What do you want now? You want to sing or you want to dance?
I want to dance.
Dance?
First,
Let's get this now.
no.
Sing na lang. Get si Manny?
No, I don't know.
Ano sa?
There's a piece of Christ when we live right. There's a peace on earth. There's a piece of Christ when we live on earth and live.
Peace in Christ. Diri, peace of Christ. Peace in Christ.
Why? It's good.
Peace in Christ. Today is
Sunday. Merry Christmas, you guys.
what else? Ano papakita mo sa kanila ngayon? Di ba marunong kang sumayaw?
Can we go to church?
Anong sayaw na maarang?
I know. Cherry Bam Bam.
Sige. Here. Here ka makita yung mga subscriber. Say bye-bye na lang.
No, that's not.
Can you get that tablet? Give it to me.
Why? iPad. It's iPad. How much?
How much? How much? We will try to find out. Okay.
Sorry?
Sige na. Dito na lang. Picture na lang. Dali. Let's say bye-bye na lang.
Bye-bye. Click the subscribe button. Turn notifications so you can get to my channel. If you like this video, click the subscribe button and my channel and her channel. Precious Kid and Ging Ging channel.
Thank you.